G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode. What you're going to see in this video is the guys from East Coast Garage Doors installing our tilt panel doors on the garage. We've basically got three sets that are going on, the big large one in the middle and the two smaller ones at the side. What I really like about these doors is the glass panels in the top. It gives it that sort of barn style sort of feel, so very impressive. So stay tuned, watch the guys assemble it all from basically a flat pack. We'll put it all together and they'll come back and we'll show you the finished product. Enjoy. How good does that look? The guys are doing the installation of the garage doors as we speak behind me. They've got the two smaller doors in and they're just doing a bit of tensioning on them. And then after lunch they're going to go attack that big door in the middle. So that's going to be fun watching them put that up. But how good do those windows look in those roller doors? Or in those tilt panel doors I should say. Very happy with the progress so far. They say our roller doors are in. Main thing was getting the motor in for that big one there. Yeah, that's all complete. We're going to back the van in. We've been out in the elements for, I don't want to say the elements, you know, had the van just parked outside here for a week or so. But geez, you notice the difference, just being out on the dirt and the gravel and what the kids walk inside the van versus being in on that concrete slab, having the AstroTurf down with the couch set up. Yeah, just the little things make such a difference. But anyway, I'm going to back that on now, pop it back in, and we're back to civilization. So there you go. How good do they look? Came up absolutely awesome. Big thanks to the guys at East Coast Garage Doors. They really did a good job here on site putting those together from the flat pack to basically what you see now. So all we need to finish it off is really just a bit of cladding across the face, some lighting, and that should come up really good. So you'll see that in some of the other future episodes. But for now, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And look guys, if you're new, please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and there's a notification button somewhere up there. Hit that if you want to stay up to date with all new episodes that come out. Thanks guys, I will catch you next time. Catch you later.